trouble wahala. Your way, go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Lil Wayne and Bukom Banku are two best friends, one village in one corner.
Hey!
Ah!
Baba!
Now who be that?
I see me be that.
Hey!
Bukom, Mabo! Maba!
Oh! Long time!
Oh, Unia!
Chineke me! Why so bad?
Unia, but Unia, I'm about Yami.
You go to the city?
Yes! Unia, a young son, I question. Oh! I question. I'm
right now, look at me!
I see you. Into the money, Bukom Banku.
Emia, money.
Obia to come and say, your majesty get
money.
But I mean, oh, Yaminia. I'm very near.
But if I take you to the city, you make more money.
Unia, woman.
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Don't cry.
I'm not crying.
Don't cry.
I'm not crying.
I said don't cry.
Hey, I'm not crying. Baby, don't cry. Don't cry. Baby, don't cry. Bukom, I'm not crying.
You are my best friend.
I know.
Don't worry, I'll take you to the city. You make money.
Boss, I want me more than I know.
Are you sure? Okay, let's go. You make money.
Now, okay, oh, I'll get you guys.
I'm coming. Hey, look at me. Oh my God!
Look at you, yeah.
Hey, come look at you too.
What are you doing in the city?
Kelvin.
Yeah.
Kelvin, you've not come back.
Oh no! Look, yeah, look.
Kelvin, you left me in that village.
No, yeah, I cannot explain everything right now. I'm on my way to pick someone. Okay, let me get your number. I'll call you.
Let's go. What is it? I said I'm coming. I'm coming. What is it?
Yeah. Look, I'll call you. Okay, by the way, who's this? Who's this one?
It's Bukom Banku trainer.
Bukom is in the city.
Yes, he brought me to the city. You left me in the village.
Come on, just give me your number. I'll call you. Okay,
you are lucky. I love you.
That's your number. Right. I'll call you. Okay.
Hey, Kelvin.
Alright, I'll see you. Okay. Yeah.
One more hug. I miss you.
I'll call you.
Okay.
I'll call you. Okay.
Okay. Let's go! What is it? I said I'm coming. Oh, baby. Oh, and I've been waiting for too long.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Okay, it was a traffic. I apologize.
Mwah. Mwah. It's okay.
Come sit down.
Okay.
You are looking so sweet, like
Baby,
yeah.
thank you.
You're welcome to my house, eh?
Thank you, sir.
As I was saying yesterday, I asked my brother Banku to have a chat with you, eh? So that I will know what you really want to do in the city. You know. So I don't know. What decision have you taken on what you want to do?
I don't know.
See, you don't hear English. He said if he take you to the city, are you sure you make money?
Okay, yes, I sure. Say we are madam for. Bibi only bibi ada. When I do my way now, wouldn't yes can I be an ampe. Boxing, I like boxing. Tell him.
He say he's my friend. I know him very well.
Yeah.
But me, my job, he wants to learn. He also get money.
Yeah, I like the boxing. Yeah.
Like seriously?
Yeah, like
boxing with this kind of body?
Please, don't mind the body. Do you know money Pacao?
Yeah.
The short guy, but you're not fit. I'm the same, but I'm fit. If you try me, you will see something.
But you don't get that.
What's that?
You don't get that. You smoke. Why you go to learn music?
Okay, you the emotion when you say you yes. I don't know the job.
What's he saying?
Yeah.
He said don't worry. He can fit to do the job.
You know something? Boxing is my passion. I love investing in boxing. That's why I took up my brother. You understand?
You know passion.
Oh, I don't know passion. What is
He
passion?
say if you lose the, he take you to the city to lose the, he go slap you.
Oh, sir.
Banku.
No,
That is not what I mean by passion. That is not what passion means. What I mean is that boxing is what I love. You know, that is one of the sports I love best. That's why I love investing in it. Huh? You know what? I think I'll get you a trainer.
Yes.
I'll get you a trainer. I'll put you in shape. Okay.
Please. You are my boss right now.
Okay.
Try me. Give me the training man. The training. If you train me, we go see different.
Let me shadow small. Let me see.
Oh no. You can't do that in my house.
Please, if you lose one fight, how much money you get?
If you lose a fight,
Yeah.
I'll kill you.
Yeah.
He say
Because if you lose, how much you
go die you.
You go die me?
Yes.
For lose?
He said he go die his room.
Hey, Pierre, must first try for training.
You know what?
If you try training me, I'll be perfect.
No problem.
Brother,
Yeah.
I think say everything will make fine. We'll just try my brother.
Yeah.
We call him for fun.
Try for me, try.
Always train. He said he's trying.
No. Better of the same feathers flock together. Charlie.
Yeah.
What is it then? What is it?
Listen. I say stop with that guy. Don't speak to her. Why me?
Banku, what is wrong with you? I have told you there is nothing between me and Kelvin. I just met him by the roadside and I said hello.
Not talk to her.
Why? He's my friend.
You are my wife. Anything you want me, I may do for you. Then why? Leave that coconut seller. I dey tell you, you know my me.
See, Banku, you are worrying yourself. Yes, you are worrying yourself. I have told you, I'm with you. Kelvin and I, we are just friends. I can't stop being friends with him because you don't like him.
Yeah. You know that I love you. You don't follow a madman who is run away. I dey beg you, stop that guy. Don't talk to him. I'm a rich man. Then why? I love you.
Me too, I love you too. But I will not stop talking to him.
But the way I talk, you don't respect me, eh?
I respect
You're my
you.
wife.
I respect you.
Yeah.
You just need to stop talking about this issue. Kevin is my friend. Period. Let's stop talking about it. We need.
Yeah. Hey.
Sam, you're welcome, man. Man, there's a guy I was talking about. The guy by my side. Oh. You know, I would love you to do me this favor. Huh? Train him for me.
What?
Yeah.
No, Sam, wait. Are you serious about this? Who?
You, of course.
No, come on.
Hey. I know what's on your mind now. Don't look at the outside. This guy is strong. Man, say. These are the kind of guys that when they come in contact with the opponent, you know, the opponent will underrate them. You know, with one punch.
No, come on. Sam, stop joking.
Huh? Please, boss, wait, I want to talk to the manager.
Okay. No problem.
Boss, Maza, only send me boys who go on TV. May your what? I saw how you say, we are good, who's one? Who dare say the person to me? What I make sure for you, little woman. Wait a minute. Whenever we feel a few months, we would box out. I know you would have. I know it's not going to me. Some of you would most things now. Do you know me? Remember that for Bukom Banku classic and our boxing about calling sky without a car. Remember who's coming to Tory, never shall be what to Nkansah. Who will do my bro? Where they fall? Huh? I don't go as a friend, master. Before Rasta.
What is it?
Sam,
Please, I'll pay you. This guy be good. This is so nice speech.
Serious?
Yeah, pay him.
So you're okay with it?
Oh, I'm okay.
I'm not okay with it.
Masa, you think I make who come was on? But I got you sick and tired in your pot, the between me. Just how much you think I make a put your problem to them. I did make your hand. You may have seen my familiar one day. Come get on today. Cannot go out of looking.
what body ya or the two way? Ya the contour.
No, but you never want to watch him.
Who said they are Bukom Banku?
I've not been there. It's okay. It's okay. You guys are not lost me here.
Come on.
At least I heard I beg you there. That means it's begging you.
So who's begging me? Who is begging me?
Look, let's cut all this talk. Sure. You're doing it for me, not for anybody else. You know, we've come a long way.
My boss go pay you, you don't go pay you.
Hey, what's your problem?
Listen. No boy,
I will hit you.
Sam, you know something? I'm okay with it.
Don't worry.
I'm out of here.
No, don't do that.
I just had a call from my client from China, and that my goods are ready, and so I have today and tomorrow to go to China. So I want us to talk about it. Can you come in?
Okay, yes. When are you planning of leaving?
Like I said, I have today and tomorrow, and that's why I want you to come in. Let's talk about it.
Just give me a second, okay? I'll be with you. I just have to finish reading this. It's quite interesting, these politicians. I don't know what they are doing these days.
You've been here like 30 minutes now, and you still want to be here?
Sweetheart, I know. I said I was going to be with you in a second, right? Just give me a minute.
Alright.
These politicians in there.
Double wahala. Your way. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school, Lil Wayne and Bukom Banku are two best friends, one village in one corner. They know they like to go class. So stop bong.
Calvin? Who is she? Calvin? Who is she?
She was just... I'm sorry, Juliet, I'm sorry.
What you mean by... Calvin! I didn't this out just for 1 minute and you bring in her now?
No.
Calvin!
Are you alright? What is it? Easy.
Tony, Calvin is cheating.
Kevin, who? My friend Kevin? How? Since when?
I don't know. I just went on this trip and then I lost my flight. I just came back and he's there with a woman.
A girl? No. Oh my God, I don't get this something. Easy. Juice. No, sit down. Come on. Let's not do this right now. Sit down. Come on. Listen, I'll talk to him. No, listen. Oh my God. I'll talk to him, alright? I'll talk to him, but I just don't get it. Did you do anything to him for him?
I did not! I don't know why he promised to cheat on me! I don't know, I do everything for him! I care for him! Tony, I care for him! Why is Calvin doing this to me?
It's okay, it's okay. I'll talk to him. You know what, right from here, I'm gonna call him and talk to you because oh my God, I don't even get it. I know Kevin loves you, alright? I do know Kevin loves you. So I don't know why he's doing something like that, alright? You know what? Oh my God. Come on. I'll talk to him, alright? It's okay.
Tony, my heart is in pain. My heart is in pain. Please don't see.
Yeah, so like I was saying, Kevin, Julie came to me at the office and she was telling me something about this village girl. I didn't like the complaint. Who's this village girl anyway?
No, Tony, you wouldn't even understand, okay? This village girl is the girl I've been with since I was in the village, right? I didn't even imagine that she would ever be in the city. I just saw her, and the reason why I even brought her home was Juliet told me she was traveling. I bought her ticket for her. You get it? In fact, I didn't even know Juliet missed her flight, and I didn't know she was gonna come back. She just came in on us like that. It was just messed up. Everything is just like I don't even know what to do right.
So what happened?
You know, she's asking me to pack out of the house, and you know that I don't even have anywhere to go. You see, she's the one that has everything for me. Even the small money I had, I put it in this business. I don't even know what's going on with the business. Things are really like rough for me right now. At the end of the day, I don't even love Juliet. It's just about the business, and I know she's gonna come back to me if you talk to her. Just you should talk to her. Just let her understand that this is never gonna happen again. She loves me.
Kevin, you know this something that I really gave you because I know how things is being with you right now. Things ain't even like cool for you these days. You don't even have nothing right now. It's your own foundation that you're supposed to lay on. But if you are going to let it slide, trust me. Don't you have a hotel around here? Same house that you're living with your girl? Come on, man.
Tony, you wouldn't understand, Tony.
Charlie, dude, it's not only girls in Kwadwo. Go and ask. Way back in New Jersey, I was following girls with $1. Me cheap grass, me cheap rough. talking about this village girl, does she even have money?
No, she doesn't. You know, she's the girl I really love. Do you understand?
Look, fine. I'm gonna talk to her, but then listen, I don't know how she's gonna take everything though. I will just try my best and talk to the question mark girl and everything. So I'll talk to her and see how things is gonna go with her. Whatever she say, I'll just hit you up and let you know. So don't worry. But you know this whole thing, you're supposed to give me a cut in this.
I know.
You owe me big time if I finish talking with her and everything. You know it, right?
Yeah, I do. Come on, Juliet, look, I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? That's why I brought Tony to come and apologize on my behalf. I'm really sorry, Juliet.
Oh, spare me all this false sanctimonious bullcrap! Oh. I said no and it's no. I'm done with you.
Look, I said I was sorry and I'm still sorry. Look, I'm never going to bring any girl into our house again.
For real.
Forgive me, like...
Tony, you were there when all these things happened.
Jules, I'll talk to him. Everything is okay now. For real, he's never going to do this whole thing again. Trust me.
I said no and no is final. No and no. Now, go and pack your things from my house. Listen. I do not want to return back to the house and see you and your filthy things in my house.
Juliet, listen. Period.
Anokwa muma yankati e marefre Eka banku unya niluwe Anedi abani sending tokwa bebrebe Anedi abani send yadi ani obanya obakwa fawasu 2 boxes in town They are ready to bout Liwini banku who will be the best Obanya obakwa let go Judgment day Judgment day Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day. Don't forget, man, I'm not the best cities. That's a winning penny. When Sasuechi, made me waba, Mumfanya, me waninkaye, Yaya Nilowe, Nipa Ninkaye, Ninkaye. Nipa ningaye, yaya nilewe. Nipa ningaye, ningaye mumfanya niwa. Enda masire nye, mijame radye. Anka minimwe. Nipa ningaye, yaya nilewe. Nipa ningaye, Nipa ningaye, yaya nilewe. Nipa ningaye, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day, Judgment day. I am back, yeah, you know.
versus John Hill. Round 1. Oi! Johnny! Yes. I can't see any more anything. Hey! Fufu Paris! Is down. Fufu Paris! Hey. Johnny is down. Fufu Paris! Fufu Powers position going for the second round. Round 2.
Anokwa muma yankati e marefre Ekabanku unya niluwe.
We are live here at Bukom Square. This is Famous Multimedia. My name is Abdul Muiz Abbas and I'm here with Fufu Powers and his trainer. Fufu Power, trainer, how are you doing?
Yeah.
How are you doing? How are you doing? A week today, the final bout is going to happen right here. What do you think about this fight?
It's a done deal. The fight is a done deal. Bukom Banku itself, Kwadwo Nkansah onim so own to be Fufu Powers. Onim, Ujidi, Amejidi Sanyi.
Who say we die ne di kuntokwa? Na Usha Fufu Powers. Any Banku ni omo widie mu enye pe.
Ma menka asem bi nchira wo. Hwe, omo susa no, omo di agrobo. Na macho obeto ahonden. Na Bukom Banku na Nkansah onim se Fufu Powers on to me no. Ne nkola bremu nyina obo no. Ya ma menka secret bi nchira wa wonim. Na Fufu Powers na ye boxer no.
Ai.
Ya wo village no ye boxer no. Ana okun. And no training Bukom Banku. No chance back Rokesi mo. Also a boxer. Oh, Jinidi yam ranche samu kromere. Ya be stop one time. Sikana ya Jerry. Kan nso ya beji. Ya bono. Na ya nchakura. Ya stop no 6 round. 6 round. Oh bono no anto wa. Mo se some position. Ono kwa me manage ni biom.
Who manage ni biom? Fufu powers.
Boss, you can't talk. You can't talk.
What do you think about this bout?
Openikase.
Yeah, me too.
We are saved you katatintin mabiabo.
Sanity.
Ahwodin. Otas ahwodin betu dey. About 2 body no. Body dey je honom na ahwodin wo mu no ene asem no. Mpese makasa pi am say ekwa TV so. TV3 for be interview me. GTV for ba. UTV for ba. TV Africa for ba. Africa Medical ba. Go TV so ere aba.
Yes.
The whole media so biaba. All station how you multimedia yes ya wa ha. Musumaba. Liverpool na ba.
Sir.
On bet fight na ever so no next week no. Enya sankotoa. Min kasa pi. Na Bukom Banku no ne hwan. Bukom Banku no ne hwan. Mini fufu power. If I'm saying
fufu power.
If I'm saying
fufu power.
I'm saying e wi asaka unya chitafo a wo ho den. Bukom Banku e obia. Boss bin go school. Wait me for kwama me. Wait me for. No one ma dey bia me na me chese. Bukom we started and then you to say. And I be box. Boss be say na me sia. Who be next case who be so challenging me. This is my coach. But that day what can come.
Very good.
Okay.
You are what can come. Na me chance about say about 20 Tony.
Okay.
So on the sound to here we don't talk pa.
Okay.
No, me ya fucking with it. No buna. I'm a Bukom Banku say yes, me ya fucking. Ma Bukom Banku.
Round 6, no bet
round 6. Eh no, Nkansah masa. Where I go to kan. Number 1 3.
round 3.
Na me say Bukom Banku am so ye Bukom abete.
Who na we have fufu powers? Now see we be go round 3. Amanfo aha ne edi bramo edi kan famous multimedia so na mo wey
na buna sa bonu bia medunya
Me minim say ya kasa kura wo.
don't know me.
Bukom. Baby a wo bia no.
Me aba na bo.
Now 3. Now the boy
What can come.
Yes.
Me na make say who hear me here.
Powers.
Next week who say me down. Na bo.
Na the babu you fit say.
fufu powers.
Una say you dey bring your boy show. Some bibi. Very good.
Don't forget when I know the passes
Hello, good afternoon, wonderful people. I'm a Raman Kroma. I have with me here the coach, the promoter and the manager and the boxer, one of the boxers here. Pacho, what we are going to expect from them and what we should expect from them. Hello, coach. Pacho, you see, I can see na air costume. Then I expect from you.
You know this is a big fight. You are ready for this fight. We are not joking. That fufu guy, we will kill him. We will murder him. Yes. We are not joking here. Right. Madam, you can just look at him. We are not joking. I dare your partner, no. Fufu, me press or share. I dare boss on share.
But are you sure you've done a wonderful way?
We've trained hard, very, very hard. You're training from morning to night.
Okay, thank you very much. That was the coach. He said we should expect more from him. I can't see any girl cry.
Well, I'm the manager of Bukom Banku here, and it's my brother. You know, I've been investing in boxing for a while now, and I've never lost any bout. In fact, I'm banking some dollars on him on this fight, and he's gonna win. The money is ours, man. Look at him, he's so strong. You guys should expect the best and nothing but the best. You here, you be there and get the best out of boxing, okay?
All right, we are going to get the best out of the boxing. What the manager says.
My name is Drama Kamoko, aka Bukom Banku. Fufu said he will challenge Bukom Banku. Me, I don't lost my fight before. This is my manager and my coach and my wife. Yeah, when I see her in the ringside, I go beat that fufu manya and poto. But I prepare myself. I have the fitness. I'm doing everything 100%. By this time, fufu will be manya. You do the head like I eat the porridge. Me, I kill I eat the porridge and I go kill fufu too. Yeah. Or that day, I want my friends to come and see that fight in Bukom Square. Me, Bukom Banku, I'll kill fufu. And I take my wife to America. And like this money. I'll bank some money on fufu power.
Okay.
This is my wife.
Okay.
Yeah. Bukom Banku, that's my brother, man. That's my brother. I'm banking some dollars on him, man.
Okay. $1 billion.
Member Banku Matenenka our mobile was say boxing
Oba so ka o
sika that's on a kakra cassette.
Listen, me bani no ba na yakobo. How?
Oh, me bani be buba.
Me bani be buba no. Me ba no. Na ni wa bosa.
Ntelo wani jena.
Barman, one clap. Tianya ba ko. So ta se. Yanko progressive ma. Omo we am discan be kan. Nso mo ni so ahye. So ta se. Ha?
Me so ni mo das. Afena wo kanya sasa.
I'm the boxing spirit.
Crack. Yes, I will bet this can be Ampa.
Susuno. Hey,
that's a member. I'm here.
There's a wap. It's show.
Even one for Mamma, what can't tell you. Mamma, when you might yourself full, I had it down.
To say, young more than you.
Hello, lovely viewers of Ghana. We are live on Rich Entertainment. My name is Regina Amuyawo. We are right here with Bukom Banku and then Fufu Powers. Bukom Banku, how do you think about the impending fight?
My name is Loma Kamboko, aka Bukom Banku. People know that I'm a good boxer in this country. But the way Fufu Powers is shouting, I think say it be small. I will stop this guy, necessary civilian. He is dressed like I eat the boys. Now stop I eat the boys already. Fufu Powers, he can't beat me. I go stop him. Many people know me in this country. But how is this fight? I go win. And I go stop him because he's shouting like a nigga this, but they are empty cocoa.
Okay.
Yes.
viewers, that was from Bukom Banku. Let's now hear from Fufu Powers.
Yeah,
what do you think about the fight?
Oh, I'm thinking so most beautiful topics.
Okay, you alright?
My name is Fufu Power.
Okay.
I'm selling myself before my fans be selling myself. Bukom Banku. Say beat 80 powers. If you beat 80 powers, not me 80 powers. No. My name is Fufu Power. If you beat 80 powers, not me. Then Bukom Banku say, me, I will beat them. I will stop it because it's a small kill. It's a charge, a small charge. You don't stand my face. If you stand my face, be 3 rounds. Thank God. It's not 3 rounds. I stop for 2 rounds. If you stand my face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. God bless that guy. Yes. I will kill him. Do you know me? Do you know me?
Okay,
I will make one song of you.
I am putting some dollars on you. I brought you to the city to box. And I will make sure Banku teach you how to box.
Look at you.
You. When did you start it?
Good. Can I say me put your best half water?
You know me.
Can I say me put? Remember I put your life.